I'm looking forward to today's build and review because personally, I think it is the most visually pleasing 65% keyboard so far. It is the Phase 1 mechanical keyboard, whose group buy period ran from September to October of 2021. As of the upload date today, it is still in stock on KBD fans, so pick one up if you like what you see here. I'm drawn to the Phase 1 because it looks unique and very classy. Assembling the keyboard isn't anything too difficult, so although a guide is not included, it is pretty intuitive to piece everything together. For this build, I'm using Gateron ink blacks that is lubed with Krytox 205G0 and filmed with Deskey's films. Surprisingly, the kit also comes with a set of screw-in stabilizers, which are pretty good I'd say, with nicely balanced wires. One thing to note though, please do follow instructions and use the scissors where needed, otherwise you will end up breaking stuff. Well, enjoy this short montage and stay tuned for the sound test right after. Also stick around to hear my thoughts on this keyboard. The Phase 1 is not a cheap keyboard, priced at over $500. Understand that what you are paying for is its design that is unlike any other 65% keyboards out there. Acoustically, I think it sounds fairly decent, and even though I did not use any PE foam in this build, it has a pretty deep tone, which I found quite satisfying. So make no mistake that the Phase 1 is a great showpiece on any office or home desk, and will definitely turn heads. Subscribe if you'd like to see more keyboard builds and reviews. See ya!